Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and it's Sunday at noon already. Oh my gosh. Many years ago, I used to do this thing called Shout Out Sundays. And I would always give a YouTuber a shout out. And I would ask the people that are watching this video, please go check out their channel. Because if you like what I create and you feel like we have a common denominator, you might like her. She's also always in my comment section. So if you read the comment section and you start like a group chat within one another's comments, she is Denise and she is loving life at 60-ish. Let me show you it right here. That was it. Isn't that beautiful? She started to do savings challenges. She's part of the savings and budgeting community. She also is a scrapbooker, and she is just like you and I. She's a person that you'd probably love to have a cup of coffee with. So go check her out or leave her a comment in my description box below, and you'll probably enjoy her comments just as much as I do. That's one. Two, the other day, on my last Scooby-Doo video, I think it was, I put a secret giveaway. I'm going to announce that person tomorrow. So if you didn't check out that video, you've got to go see it. And you've got to figure out which one it is. So I'll give you a hint. You got to hashtag the word mystery. So if you look at the comments, you'll see which one. It's a hidden giveaway. I'm going to give it till tomorrow morning. Go check that out. That's two. Today is H-Bucks, and we've got three. 1, 2, 3. 3. I couldn't decide on which one I wanted to create for myself, and then I received this amazing message this morning. And it was from my crafty YouTuber BFF, Sparkling Char. So basically there's two shout outs today. Go see Denise at Loving Life at 60 and go see my girl Char. I'm going to link both of them in the description box below. So if you want to show some love, I love to pay it forward, so maybe you guys could pay it forward and go check them out. So the reason I'm talking about Char today is because one of these savings challenges was kind of inspired by her, or she asked, like maybe, she goes, I don't want to put too much on your plate. Let me tell you this. She messages me this morning. Now she's Central Time, and this was very early, and we've turned the clocks ahead, so she must have been up real early. And she says, do you have 10 minutes to talk? And I write right away, yeah. My phone rings. No, Char. She's like, I just want to tell you your channel, your challenges, your creativity. Let me tell you, my girl, she boosted me so high this morning that I was on cloud 9. The words, the love, the emotions that came through a phone line. My support system is amazing. And how I feel with them, I want you guys to feel with me. I said to her, my goal is that if I gift you a challenge, start saving it. I'm not kidding you. You know when you find like that perfect product and you want to share it with somebody? Well, that's how I feel about saving. I'm 55. I've always had some savings, but nothing like this now. And I just want to share that feeling. And you start with something, and then it grows. All right, let's get into today's challenges. Because in yesterday's video, I asked you, what do you think you're going to see tomorrow? Were you surprised with G? Were you surprised with the genie? I read your comments. Please don't be afraid to leave me a comment, because I love them. And other people read them. So it kind of brings us all closer together. Okay, so the genie comments were amazing. Some of you thought it was going to be goofy. And because I had already done a goofy challenge, I wanted to bring in something that we haven't seen. And that's why I brought in Genie. Now, let's go on to H. Like I said, there's 3 different ones. Oh, gosh. Are you ready? All right. You have a few seconds. Leave me a comment. Do you think it's going to be what you think it is? Or at the end, let me know what you thought it was, and then were you happily surprised with what I've made? I'm sorry. I hate when I laugh on camera, but I'm beaming. I gotta do it the right way. Hold on one second. All right. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you think it was him? Did you think it was going to be Hercules? This is H. Yes, it is. This is him. Let's save some H bucks with Hercules. It's like, for me, it's like strength. Hercules gives us power. We're gods. We're invincible. Let's save that money. All right, because Hercules was on my list, and I can't show you my list because I'm not finished with this whole thing. So you want to see the second one? What do you think the second one is? Are you ready? Yep, it's Hades. Of course I couldn't do Hercules and not do Hades. And look, let it focus. We got some pain and panic. And look, it's like he's almost going, where's my money? Okay, stop laughing, Donna. Do you love this? Were you surprised with Hades? Now I think I'm going to blow your mind with the next one. It's out of my comfort zone. I did craft it once before, and I will leave that video at the end of this video. I've never watched all of the movies, right? Because there's more than one. I have only watched one, and it was probably about 20 years ago. No idea. But I think I have to, because I know that the following is truly amazing. There's a following to the next. Are you ready? All right. So, wait, did I show you the head? Okay, this is Hades. This is what we look like. All right, let me show you the next one. So we got Hades. And are you super excited? All right, you got a second to guess. I think you're going to realize why I'm out of my comfort zone. Ready? We got some Harry Potter. Do you love him? I hope you love him. Look at that. Let's save some H-bucks with Harry Potter. Potter. Do you hear my accent? I still have a New York accent. Let's save some H-bucks with Harry Potter. Okay, so we have 3 different ones. We got Harry, we got Hades, and we got the Herc. We got 3 different ones. I hope that you are enjoying this. I'm loving this, but I have to ask you one question. All right, so your comment section is going to be like huge. It should be huge. So when I was talking to Shar this morning, she's like, she's going to be new to the savings and budget community, so she had a different thought process on the alphabet. She's like, I can't wait to see you do it all. And I'm like, oh, we're stopping with L because that's the last of the L's, the letter on the dollar bill. But then I was like, oh my God, I don't have to stop. I can do every letter. And Lisa Grateful Me said the other day on her channel, you all know who Lisa is, and if you don't, I'm going to link her in the description box below. She's like, Donna, I'm going to need an L for me, because her name begins with L. So I go, oh my gosh. So we keep going. We do M, N, O, P, and if your name begins with an M, or I don't know, you like the letter O, or, you know, whatever. Sometimes you save for a specific person, and it doesn't have to be $1. You can make these any denomination you want. You can mix them up. But I think I'm gonna continue with the entire alphabet. With that being said, let me know what you think of that. Because these challenges can just keep going and going and going. All right, everybody, I hope you have an amazing Sunday. We are supposed to get between tonight and Wednesday, all day Monday, all day Tuesday, into Wednesday, over a foot of snow. I don't know what you're all getting, but we're going to be hunkered down. Let me know. So I think I'm going to be crafting, creating, and doing some videos. I hope that you have an amazing day. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the description box below. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.